Hi! In front of me is Poco C40 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck and System.Info, and when it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!